we are doing a review on these true wireless earbuds. These little babies here. They cost me around about £13 to buy, and as always, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check them out. This is the TWS stroke L21 model, and Bluetooth 5.0 smart chip, auto pairing, answer calling with both ears, HD voice and noise cancelling. They're 9D sound quality, and I have no idea whatsoever what 9D sound quality is. They have a stronger compatibility and comfortable design. That's what it said on the website, or on Amazon actually. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to doing a review on it. They come in 3 different colours, black, white or pink, and to quickly show around the box, and that's about it really. Yeah. So with that, let's get one done. So this is how it came. It actually came in another paper bag, but I had to open it to see what was inside, and it wasn't sealed. This was not sealed anyway. The paper bag was, but this wasn't. So that's it for that. So what do you have here? No idea. It says V5.0 plus EDR, TWS L21, and oh, some basic information how to set it up. Bluetooth pairing, charging, answer calls. Okay, easy enough. Alright, USB. Cool, that is a tiny little baby, isn't it? That is a little tiny one. So it's a little baby USB. Don't forget, it's only cost less than £13. So they've got to try and save money somewhere. Hopefully they haven't saved money on quality of sound. That's what we want more than anything. So yeah, what's that? 100 meters, 100 meters, 100 mil. No, it's not big. I will have a measure up and stick it in the video for you. So this is the charging station. Have a quick look. I can't see a point of that actually, but there you go. Charging station. Oh, there you go. So yeah, they sit in there and get charged up. I want a little clapper. Yeah, it's alright, doesn't it? USB goes on now. I think it goes that way. Yep. There you go. And then you plug that into your power socket, or you know, your phone charger. And let's get these little babies out. So I've done a pair of these before, or something very similar to these. So, and I do find them very comfortable actually. So yeah, that is it basically. Yeah, and apparently you can answer calls and do things from both ears. That's what it says. You answer, hang up, play music, previous song, next song, reject a phone call, last number redial, all sorts of things. So we will be testing it. So before that, we're going to have to charge it up. Oh, it's magnetic. See that? It just shot in there. Yeah, let's see if it is magnetic. Yeah, that is magnetic. That's really good. I quite like that. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to charge it up. So I'll be back once it's charged up. Right, they're all charged up now, and all we've got to do now is connect it to our phone. It says it is super easy to pair, and we are going to test it right now and find out how easy it is. It says remove them from the case and wait 5 seconds, because they need to pair to each other, which is what we're doing right now. So what do you think? That's about 5 seconds, yeah? They should be ready for pairing up to the phone. Here we go. So go to your Bluetooth settings. Click on more settings, and we're looking for L21. It comes up straight away. Look at that. Click on that. Like so. It says pairing now. Connecting. Connected. That was really easy. Oh look, it's adjusting my volume. So yeah, that is connected. That is it. That is done. Close that. And we're going to test it on some sound. See how easy it is to use. So I do believe you just press a button or something, or you got to do it so many times, haven't you? I'm not 100% sure because I haven't read the instructions about how to use it yet. Oh, play music. Click once for music. Right, okay. Oh, it's playing. It's playing. It stopped. Right, I sussed it out. 2 clicks will go to the beginning of the song that's playing. Another 2 clicks will go to the previous song. Right one, double click, will go to the next song. And if you want to adjust the volume up and down, for down, click 3 times, it will go down. Click 3 times, volume will go up. That's pretty good, pretty easy to work it out in the end. And the other thing I liked about it, that is loud. Let's just show you, that's quite loud. Turn it down a little bit. Yeah, turn it back up. That's comfortable. It's not loud, it's just comfortable. That's getting loud. That's alright, I can live with that one. Oh, lovely bass. Oh, that's loud. What is that? Oh. I've had to pause it. That's quite loud. Clarity. Sound clarity is very good. For the amount of money you're paying, that is extremely good. I think it's about £13 I said it was. Yeah. Clarity of sound is excellent. Bass is even better. I'm amazed for such a small device how good that bass is. I'll probably sound different now as well because I've got these in. But yeah. They're very comfortable in my ears. Didn't find any discomfort whatsoever. Easy to use as well. I was surprised how easy they are to use considering the amount of money you pay. I mean, £13, that is amazing. And the bass is excellent. I was impressed with the amount of bass you get out of such a small device like this. And quality of sound is excellent, first class. Like I said, for the amount of money you are paying, it definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm well impressed. I like them. Easy to use, easy to pair, and they just work. Brilliant. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah, really good.